What's up, Squids? I just got off the phone with Muller Powersports, and they said they have the Kawasaki Z650 and the regular 650 in stock. It's raining right now, and I don't think I'm going to be riding over there. I'm just going to drive my car, and I'm going to head over there and take a look at these bikes real quick. Some of you have been asking about the 650, so I say, you know what? If they have it, let me go shoot that video real quick for you guys. Alright, so, I just remembered I have some stuff in my car that may be illegal in Jersey. I may have to turn around. Alright, let me get back to you real quick. Okay, where were we? I am headed to Muller's Powersport. They have the 650s, the Kawasaki 650s in stock, and I'm headed over here to go check them out right now, and I will hit you back up once I get there. There are slight differences between the 650s and the 400s, and I will point them out when I get there. It's like the fuel tank is bigger and the front brake rotor is smaller. I think that's about the difference, and the colors obviously will be different. There's 3 different colors compared to the 400s. So when I get there, I'll point out all that for you, and I'll show you the rotors and all that stuff. So here we go, guys. Okay guys, we have made it over here to Muller's Powersports. Let's head in here and see what bikes they have. I see they have Kawasaki up here, Suzuki, certified pre-owned dealership. Let's head in here and see what the deal is. Okay guys, before we get started, I want to give a special thanks to Muller's Powersports for allowing us to come in and film these bikes. They do carry a wide variety of bikes, from cruisers, street bikes, and dirt bikes. They carry Benellis, Kawasaki's, SSR motorcycles, Suzuki's, and KYMCO. So if you are in the Phillipsburg area, I encourage you to come check them out. Okay guys, you're not going to waste any more time. We're going to jump right into this bike. So let's start off with the engine. This is a 649cc, 650 for short, 4-stroke twin parallel 8-valve liquid cooled engine with dual 336mm throttle bodies and equipped with an advanced electronic ignition. This bike is also 6-speed and chain driven, also equipped with ABS. Okay, let's move on to the wheels. Both the front wheel and the rear wheel are 17 inches. Okay, let's move on to the brakes. The front brakes carry 2 300mm semi-floating discs in the front and 2 2-piston calipers in the front. The rear brakes carry 1 single 222mm disc and a 1-piston caliper. Okay, let's take a look at the suspension. The front forks are 41mm hydraulic telescopic forks, and the rear suspension is a hydraulic back link with adjustable spring preload. If you take a closer look at this shock, it looks to be more in a 30 to 40 degree angle, whereas the 400 looks in more in a 90 degree angle. Let's talk about seat height for shorter riders. The 600 comes in at a seat height of 31.1 inches, an inch higher than the 400, which comes in at 30.9 inches. So let's use me as a reference. I am 5'10" with a 32-inch inseam. And you can see how I look on this bike. You can see how it fits me. My feet are flat on the ground with my knees bent. I am seated in an upright posture, same as the 400. I can lean over a bit or I can sit straight up.
This bike carries a curb weight of 419 pounds, which is 53 pounds heavier than the Ninja 400 ABS version. This bike is rocking a 4-gallon tank, which is bigger than the Ninja 400. The ground clearance on this bike is 5.1 inches, which is actually less than the 400, and carries a rake of 24 inches and a trail of 3.9 inches, which is also less than the Ninja 400. The bike is equipped with your standard on and off switch and start switch on the right, and on the left your high beams, low beams, left turn signal, right turn signal, your horn, your hazard lights, and your select switch. This select switch, however, is not on the 400, but only on this bike. This select switch selects your modes and what Kawasaki calls their traction control. Okay, let's take a quick look at the dash. The dash is equipped with a 7-inch TFT display. If you go to your far left, you'll see there's a left indicator, high beams, and an engine check light. Right of that to the top is a gear indicator. Right of that is the KTRC, which is Kawasaki's traction control. Under that is a rev limiter. Under that to the left is a fuel gauge. To the right of the fuel gauge is the trip mileage, A, B, and total miles. Right of that is your temperature gauge, and right of the temperature gauge is a clock. If we go down, we'll see there's a battery indicator, a temperature gauge, and an oil gauge. Now if we go to the top right, we'll see there's a right indicator, a neutral indicator, and a KTRC indicator. I believe this dash also comes with Bluetooth connectivity for your phone, but do not quote me on that. This bike carries your standard halogen turn signals, but the headlight and rear light are both LED lights. Unlike the 2023 Kawasaki Ninja 400 that comes in 3 different colors, this one only comes in 2 colors: metallic matte graphic steel gray and ebony, and pearl robotic white metallic matte flat raw gray stone ebony. My god, that was a mouthful. Okay guys, let's talk about the price of this bike for a second. If you're wondering, this bike does not come non-ABS, it only comes ABS, and it has an MSRP of $7,999 or $8,199. Both these prices include a destination charge of $435 and a freight and material surcharge of $300. Remember, there may be a dock fee and a prep fee associated depending on the dealership you go to. If you're wondering why these prices are different from $799 to $8,199, it's because of the colors. The white color is considered a premium paint finish and therefore will cost you a little extra. Okay guys, I'm going to call that a wrap. That is it for the bike. But before we close off, I want to give a special thanks to Muller Powersports for allowing us to come in and film this bike. So if you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button and subscribe for more. I'll have more videos coming. I have the 2023 Suzuki Hayabusa video coming soon, so you can look out for that if that's something you're interested in. Alright, so remember to keep your eyes on the swivel, keep the sticky side down, the shiny side up, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.